Are we going all the way until we hit the pink?
I like here because I like that it's a nice straight shot.
As a medical student with a background in engineering, Zoe Goldberger is curious about how medicine is practiced today and where it's headed.
Einstein is full of innovation, and it's definitely in the DNA of what it means to be at Einstein, both as a physician and as a PhD. But medical students might not even really realize that you can engage with innovations because we're just learning the fundamentals of medicine.
She met two other students with similar interests, Isaac Faith and Noah Jacobs. Together, they formed the Einstein Innovation Group, open to all medical and graduate students.
We're incredibly grateful to have the support of Dean Tomer to guide us and support us through this process. We have workshops and seminars ranging from artificial intelligence to healthcare economics, social policy, and intellectual property.
We are also going to have an elective called the Fundamentals of Innovation and Applications in Healthcare. You need to have mentorship, or you can do a fellowship and work in a biotech or in a firm. You can meet with alumni. We tried to have a really well-rounded selection so that you can find whatever's your specific flavor. And if it's not there, come talk to us and we will build it in.